Alright, how's it going, everybody? So today we're gonna do a test ride. This is gonna be the first one, of course, is gonna be the Roadmaster, because bloody Patrick is like doesn't know anything about Indians. So Patrick doesn't know anything about Indians, so he's like, oh, get the Roadmaster, that sounds cool. But then I pointed out, it's like, oh, it's that one. It's like, oh, crap. So, so he told me, it's like, can you do it for me? I'm just like, fine, I'll do it. I'll do it for you. And then there's Amy at the FTR. I haven't ridden a big bike in a long time. Ooh, this is torquey. Oh, it has a lot by wire. Turns lovely though. The only thing I don't like, it's the throttle. It's kind of like touchy. Ooh, that was smooth. Those bumps are smooth. The only thing I don't like about this, oh yeah, that is bloody smooth. I like that. The only thing I don't like is from out of the bay is the bloody fucking windscreen. It's kind of messing up with my visual, yeah. It's funny because Patrick is just like, you know, I don't want to ride it because it's too big. It's like, it's not that bad. Like, it has a low center of gravity, so it's actually really nice. See how this goes. Not bad, not bad at all. Oh man, this bike is smooth for a V-twin. Wow. It's just that shifter's kind of screwing me over. It's a little high for my taste. The shifter is a bit it's quite a bit clunky on this thing. A little too clunky for me. Hold on, let me change out the display. Nope. 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 Whatever. Oh yeah, this is a nice bike to ride. Just cruising along. Hey, belts. Nice. This is a really easy bagger to ride. That's what I like about it from out of the bat. Super smooth, super easy to ride. There's a couple of things I just don't like about it, you know. Yeah, you can't really change the throttle. You can't really change, well, you can change the windscreen, but you can't really change that clunk out of the transmission. But really, other than that, it's an amazing bike. I like it. Oh my god, I'm just so used to my sport bikes. I'm like, oh wait, why is it bottoming out? Oh, that's why. Not bottoming out, but it's like, it's like, wait, what the heck? But no, I keep forgetting. It's like, it's not. It's a V-twin, and it's nothing compared to my FRI. I mean, not FRI. My CBR. My R6. There we go. My bike does need to be, you know, a little. The bars, I don't really like the bars all too much. It could be a little higher. It's for my taste, but it's not bad. How are you liking it? Good, but huh?
Vibrates a lot.
What?
Has a lot of power, but vibrates a lot.
Oh yeah, it's a V-twin. I like this one.
Yeah?
Yeah. It has speakers on it and everything. It's nice.
Very bulky.
Huh?
Very bulky.
Oh yeah. Like, I get like no wind into my face or anything like that. It's nice and comfortable. Yeah. Aren't you like little sport bike there you got there, girl? What? Yeah, that's only a couple. You know, like I said, the shifter peg is a little needs to be adjusted. Because like I can feel like this thing is just like this, like just vibrating, and it feels like it's going to just vibrate it off. The rear brakes are really great on this one, actually. I find we were heading onto the freeway. Really smoothly, though. That's what I like about it. It's like effortlessly. I just like to turn. It's like you just tell her to go. So I'm like, okay. So far, the routing they choose for this play is not a big fan of it. The one thing I really like about this bike is like, oh wow, that's pretty soft right there. Really soft suspension. Both. But what I do know, if I remember correctly, I think it was a Challenger, but I think on a Roadmaster 2 they have like a ridiculous amount of ground, like clearance, suspension clearance on the rear, which is ridiculous. So when it comes to the freeway with my helmet, which is the AGV-K1, I'm getting a little bit of vibration, like buffeting. I can feel it from the top of my head. Of course, this helmet is made for more of a sport bike position. And then again, there's this that just, you know, it does kind of mess with my visual, but I'm only like 5'8", so there you go. I can either look above or go below it, but either way, when I sit comfortably, I can see in the middle, which is kind of annoying, honestly. But you can always go for aftermarket ones. Mirrors position, actually, it's fantastic. I like these mirrors. Of course, you got speakers, but I don't want to test them out for copyright reasons. I'm pretty sure they're good. Let's see what else can I do with these controls. Music. I want music. Whoa. Okay, commercial's fine. Wow, I can literally hear that from on the freeway with my helmet on. I can hear that crystal clear. Let's put that lower. Wow, that is close to clear speakers right there. That's actually nice. I like that. Of course, you got bags on this as well, and so you got these highway crash bars as well, which are really nice. Overall, what I like about this bike is see how, it's okay. It's okay amount of torque. Ooh, shit! Didn't realize you'll break that much. It's okay amount of torque. Torque is not bad. Yeah, the speakers are amazingly super cool. So engine performance, it's okay. Transmission, it's not the best. I personally don't like it. Audio, oh goddamn amazing. Turning capabilities, a lot better than I thought. Really smooth, really nice to turn. Comfort, 8 out of 10. I say this because, like I said, I'm 5'8". For me personally, you know, I want the bars a little higher. That's about it. Mirrors, great. Protection, awesome. Wind buffeting, still there, but not bad. Well, I guess that concludes this ride, really. Would I get one personally? I don't know. Not actually, like, rode one for real this time? I don't know. I probably would not get one, honestly. Why? You know, it's just not my mojo. You know, there's a couple things I don't really like about it. That doesn't like, I want this bike. You know, it's a good bike for those who get it. Yeah, perfectly fine. But me personally, not really. You know, it's not really my thing. Okay, let's park this heavy baby out. Hey. Out. No, open your visor so I can talk to you. You're not supposed to pass me.
You're going so slow.
Doesn't matter.
And I saw that corner coming, and it was either like squeezing between the car and you, or like braking and risking someone hitting me.
So you're not supposed to pass me, okay? Okay. How do you like the FTR?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Will you buy one?
I like like the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber is nice.
Yeah.
Has that. I mean, it has power.
But this isn't for you.
Like a lot.
Alright. Well, let's see what I can ride next.